Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to write a cover letter for new grad nursing jobs. In this YouTube video, I'll write an example letter that can be used for those seeking a hospital job as a new graduate. Now once you are done writing your own version, I would advise you to download matching and professional looking resume and cover letter templates. Now click on the link in the description for more information. Now before I get started, let me first emphasize on the most important writing tips for new grad nurses. First off, pick a font size that is easy to read. For example, Calibri, Arial or Times New Roman with a 10 to 12 point font size is most suitable. Avoid using fancy fonts like Comic Sans, fonts in script or handwriting style. In addition, keep a word count of around 300 to 400 words. Stick to a one-page document and divide your cover letter into 4 paragraphs. Secondly, distinguish two styles, American and British English cover letters. The letter that we are going to write will be an American English example, but I will also showcase the differences between these two styles during the video. Thirdly, choose a proper greeting for your cover letter. For example, Dear Mr. Gates or Dear Miss Gates. Now don't use Mrs. as the abbreviation, unless you know that the contact person is a married woman. If you are unsure about the reader's gender, then you need to write the full name, as in Dear Ash Gates. If you write to an unknown recipient, then I would advise you to write Dear Hiring Manager. Fourthly, don't list your personal traits and qualifications like you do in your resume, but instead provide context. For example, employers need nursing students with wound dressing skills. If you claim to obtain this skill, then you need to substantiate this statement with real-life achievements and preferably immeasurable results. At last, choose a proper closing salutation for your cover letter. For example, kind regards, best regards, or sincerely. Yours sincerely is British, and Americans tend to reverse the order and write sincerely yours. Nowadays, sincerely is a common and acceptable close for American cover letters. You can also write yours faithfully, which can be used when the recipient is not addressed by name, like in Dear Hiring Manager. It is a British usage, and yours truly is the American equivalent. Alright, that's it for the most important writing tips for new grad nurses. Next up, I want to start writing the cover letter example. First you need to list your contact information on the left side. In between white lines underneath we put the date and then the hiring manager's name and job title, followed by the hospital's information. As for the salutation, we write Dear Mr. Gates. And this is how you structure an American English cover letter. For British English, you need to put the contact information and date on the right side. After that, you need to put the date first, then the month, and exclude the comma. Underneath we notice that the subject is included in the British English letter. It is commonly used in the UK, but usually left out in the US. For American usage, the month is placed first, followed by the date, and you need to insert a comma between the day and year. We also include a dot after the abbreviation MR or MS. For British English, you can leave it out. In the first paragraph, also called the introduction, you need to show your interest for the position and hospital you apply for. Let the reader know where you found the job posting and that it matches your qualifications. Inform the reader about your willingness to contribute and support their daily operations, and introduce them to your cover letter. In the second paragraph, you shortly introduce yourself, followed by a motivation for the job opportunity. Try to answer questions like, what triggers you to pursue a career in nursing? Or, why do you want to work at their hospital? Attract the reader's attention and show that you are in fact interested in specifically this job role at their hospital. In the third paragraph, you need to like this video if you like what you see so far, and subscribe for more support on new grad nursing applications. Okay, so match your qualifications to the job requirements. Now don't list your skills and experience like you do in your resume, but instead provide context, preferably with numerical and or statistical information. So what have you achieved in numbers, statistics, or awards you've been granted? A key here is to convince the reader that you actually obtain the necessary qualifications. In the last paragraph, you need to refer to your attached resume and politely initiate an interview. You can inform the reader about your excitement and proactive attitude to further discuss your candidacy. Include your phone number so they can easily reach out to you. And at last, you thank the reader for their time and consideration, and you close in a compelling way. So, kind or best regards, followed by your name and surname. Alright, so we touched upon the most important writing tips for new grad nurses. And we actually made an example letter of around 350 words and 4 paragraphs. If you want to see this example and all of my other examples in text format, then visit my website via the link in the description. Now I want to thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. If this video was helpful, then a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. And want more introduction and closing paragraph examples? Then check out my other videos. Other than that, thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!